Lord Jesus is my strength and my refuge.
People need to move on. It's not a big deal. You don't expect people to be your class one, near class three, near universities, and if it's a contract, a crown, I say yeah, she's right. I don't see anything wrong with it. You move it on. The management can get someone better than Priscilla. Priscilla can also get someone better than them. They move on. As a big deal. People move on. People need to move on. It's not a big deal. You don't expect people to be your class one, near class three, near universities, and if it's a contract, a crown, I say yeah, she's right. I don't see anything wrong with it. You move it on. The management can get someone better than Priscilla. Priscilla can also get someone better than them. They move on.
UK-based presenter, very very talented, talented and beautiful, gorgeous, palatable, extremely gargantuan woman. And never better to come. In fact, when you study who be said opposite or the music. Now, no, the any day. Or say, a didn't cry the science.
Let's sing.
Let's sing show, Anna.
Let's sing show.
Exactly. You know, Casado do the we catch us in fashion, man. Come on, now, Mabusan in the team, baby, free, but medical can say UK based presenter. And then who interviews the interviewer.
Thank you.
My mini can clear you maybe answer. But you may make a tree anymore. Bono Becca.
Make a tree.
Not just as I'm Bruni country, Bibini.
Make a tree.
Is about to go there. But what the younger side is saying?
The friend of Mammy Dankwa Asante, MDA.
Mammy
Dankwa Asante, MDA.
What a nice name.
Thank you.
Wow. And then how long have you been staying in the US, in the UK?
19 years plus.
19 solid years.
Exactly.
Wow. Wow. And you know, sir, and so do you know, started from here briefly in Kakra. Why do you want to do this now? Then. Okay. Open here, sir.
Be a calling me feel boat.
Okay.
But yeah, woman or Sacramento. So I've lived in Sacramento all my life till 19 years ago. I'm too crying.
Okay.
And then from there, I've been living in UK.
Wow. I've been looking in the UK. I've been looking. But you're queer.
Into yeah, I want to match now. Be seen there.
Okay. Into briefly in Kakra.
About let's sing, you know, let's sing in there. It's idea when you make it do me. The reason why I want to do this is we've seen a lot of people are more our talent, you know, but they don't get that support. So now and some people promote you know, opposite they want to see you've gotten there or the top, you are a celebrity and sana on but then young can also say there are people on the streets, on the marketplace, in secondary schools, all over the place when we need help to also get there. And my vision is just to support them. And on the let's sing.
Why is it about music alone? Brofono a bedding. I didn't know you na asanka na
I am a worshiper myself. I sing myself, and that's my zeal. That's what I want to do. I don't do anything like one corner. I'm not saying it's bad. Don't get me wrong. But I'm not saying it's bad. But only gospel. That's what I do.
Only gospel.
Only, nothing else.
Okay, not just say it is only gospel.
Yeah.
Now can we go see street near the Obi a bit me are joining.
It's for everyone. Once you've got the voice,
age difference, so
it doesn't matter.
70 years,
it doesn't matter. Once you can sing, you've got the voice, you can sing. It's fine with me.
So like at the same
okay. All right. I'm sure, like I said, I'm a host on Odehyieba TV and as well a presenter on radio, Hot Digital Radio. And what we do is every Saturday people come on to sing, and when you sing, say, say, yeah, they Dana say, that's what everyone is gonna
before
sing.
you proceed.
Yeah.
You know, before so for people to know that you are talking music.
Tetimremu yonyame.
Wow.
yenesu wo yonyame wo daso ye oh nyame wo satra da wo daso ye ajo nyame wo satra
the time rain wing. Maseki no. Me.
Einti na me do Jesus.
Me ma to em say Z. What to keep be? What to?
Me papa me to be me to have to. Me make sure that any special one anywhere I wouldn't be place it I'll sing.
Ma be flat o. Ma say ho kra.
Yeah.
All right, into a show.
It's a show.
Ah, we know.
Yeah. What, like I was saying earlier on, so mobaso na mobeto nyom na. New obe winning no gets £50. Into the nyom na to
gets £50 as a winner.
Just as a winner for that particular day.
Okay.
And then
no, they now we in UK.
UK no. Near adi omunyana app. Into winners in the 15 and the winner gets 4,000 Ghana cedis, which is the old 40 million. But near me person be your hand on and I know you're different.
Okay.
Yeah, this is going to be for schools, secondary schools, universities.
Okay.
Marketplace, all over the place. If you've got a voice.
I love it.
Thank you. So if you've got a voice, see, this is what I'm targeting. Yesterday we were at Bompata Secondary School.
Okay. So you started already.
Yeah, I'm doing the and by December it will start.
Okay.
Yeah, until by December I start it.
By December I'm going to start. It's kind of like audition something.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Exactly. Not team in a show into what they will be doing is adverts, announcing it.
Okay.
And how everything is going to take place.
Let me ask you this very important question. So, do they pick forms or something? Forms?
At the moment, yes, and you don't pick forms. You just join the because TV station or UK, I don't think most people.
Sponsoring.
Yeah, maybe you do not understand. UK is a TV station, but you don't have to say how more DSTV. You don't have it here, so people join on Facebook and on YouTube. But maybe it's going to be a live show.
Okay.
So you are going to come to your friend and say if it's going to be placed here, you are all going to come here and sing.
Okay.
With the judges to judge.
Okay.
So it's not me who's going to judge.
So what I want to hear and say, obi be pick forms to be any
No, it's free. Okay. The only time I think you are going to maybe pay something is when you are going to vote for your best
votes.
Yeah, votes. Yeah, the votes is 30%, the singing is 70%.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
And
we are working on it. So and to them we are working on it and to see which network will be the best for us. Amen. Amen.
£40 Amen.
As I'm doing me,
said you see £1 in here. Yeah, I mean, £1 okay, and to not say, young fans will be sharing if we UK, most especially, more sharing me more cry or more Canada, Belgium, Europe, Asia. No, young fans will Dubai, no person join here.
Yeah, so it's very easy. The one that you honey dear.
And when the only in Ghana,
where you made for Ghana.
Ghana, okay. And you are so bad.
And this particular one we are looking at on December, and of course it's not going to be from. It's going to be the Ashanti region.
Ashanti region, very good.
This particular December. And after that, near region
by region.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And it's a big project.
It is.
Wow. I'll sponsor you with £1 billion.
Thank you. It's possible. Anything is possible.
2 billion.
It is possible.
1,000 billion.
Don't look at now. Don't look at now. It's possible.
Amen.
Yeah. It's easy.
Why see the Grammy?
Oh wow.
me wow. Wow. I was for me mama.
Mame dan kwa sante.
Mame dan
Ubo
kwa.
me din wrong obechia. Nti upa bona MDA. Ubo me din wrong obechia. Nti MDA is fine.
Me ja interview no kwa. Me dia me bona interview charge. I was having mame dan kwa da. Education common. In fact, at the papa we won and he had DD bebre. When him say me come interview me accept say me interview no. Or say on forms to be a which actually say anum dey be 5 forms 100 cedis 500 cedis there be na entesa me ba be busa na time e be start the numbers the location if no be no say asante with be hifa na ya to aso because of renting.
Okay.
But e hifa potin e wo.
You be your pata secondary school.
Good.
Yeah.
And the toss me no so e be dabe o say December.
E be December.
But say in December no be file number no betimi file number ni sisi afre na.
That is what my team is going to work on.
Okay.
It maybe I'll be very happy if you are ubetimi na team na interview once it's getting the maybe September. That time the network, the place, the timing, how you're going to call, the numbers that you have to call, because they say I'm say okay more top ups and maybe they say
top artists.
No, as in, no, MTN, no,
MTN, Vodafone, Glow, Etel,
Tigo. My mistake.
Okay.
I have to work on it, Antenna.
Wow, that means you are doing extremely, wonderfully, profoundly, thrillingly.
Thanks to God. Thank you.
Me am creating me bro. Nyamisha be what?
Sure, sir.
Some me young fan pesica.
No, not at all. Bibia in show.
Okay.
I'm just doing it, but then if I get sponsors, if I get people to support, why not?
All right. Young Konisi, I'm asking you this question because of the young artist be bring up big joining. Odehyieba Priscilla, and in the boss, previous manager to acquired a topic. Talk of almost 1 year in big issue. UK hono no. BBC no to be new be here jumana say yemfa say omuntamutia. Imponi if it's a contract based or whatever. Ayana and tokwasisi like
I don't see it as a big deal. People move on. People need to move on. It's not a big deal. You don't expect people to be you're class 1, near class 3, near universities and if it's a contract, a crown, I say,
no terminate.
Yeah, she's right. I don't see anything wrong with it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. And that's to say, both parties will be moving on.
Will be a movie on. The management can get someone better than Priscilla. Priscilla can also get someone better than them. They move on.
Wow.
I don't see anything wrong with it.
Wow.
You want to say a big deal, but hey, you need to move on.
Wow. I appeal or buy or you can be camera for to sell can
Me cheaper.
Me pedo camera for. All right. I wish I for mama. Date the exact data. Be started. Next September. September mu ye besan ye interview. Nti no de numbers ni na mo hwe. Na mo ya start program.
Yeah.
Nti a page started that be
as I said earlier on, it's going to start in December, but I can't give you an exact date, sir.
But obia o hwe obia enfre, yes sir.
Obia o hwe me bia no by team no. They are going to work on that and promote everything. So the numbers are going to be out. The network I know is going to be out, and then we'll find the exact date because we're on 5th of December.
Okay.
Now, I never started on the 7th. It doesn't look professional, isn't it? We'll just give it time and see how it goes.
Okay. And I'm giving you 2 minutes wrap up. My name is Brofon wrap up and one like brief na. I can't in a brief no. Say be a say location say o two number be a will be a oshe apuase wo she nso ase and nso ase na apuase. Okay. Maybe I will be a number 2 papa bi or your sofo.
Yeah.
Reverend Kwabena Boyd. Me who say me was an of friend was mami bi no mami bi ba. Only na.
He's
concern
he's part of my team and I feel so or two or can your last
Otunumu
powerful.
And Yasam Kitwa.
Okay.
Only did way nana.
Yeah, or coming me proper team now.
Wow, I love him so much.
Yeah, he is a humble man. We're good team. I've got him, I've got MC1, I've got Janet, I've got superb. They are all good. Don't worry, Rebecca Krobe more be brave. All right. Medobia say I'll share live. This is about Let's Sing show. And who interview near what is happening is and I need to me back and say Yaba Secondary School's minimi team and I want to say thanks to them to my husband Pastor Samuel Ejenim Boate, who is my backbone. Yeah. Okay. My backbone or no Jumedie Kunya the man behind the show. God bless him so much. Into Ono Ekahom and yawo MC1 Onyame Insurana yawo Reverend Bodu Nyame Shana Janet. They are one of them is Reverend Bernard and we've got Sir Nicholas. Into Obia Wanfield. Oh yeah. And I want to say a massive thanks to them all. This is what the show is all about. By September, the team is going to come out and promote what we are going to do. If you have the voice, Bible says your giftings will make a way for you. Enti se wona mnyomo to na betimi ato nyom yempe omomba beto. Wonye bold ombe jana na say
I say why timid be ni.
Yeah. Enti oba
na me dem on fa me.
Debi me hwe wo honanye. Enti oba no beto enyonyam Construction.
Wow.
I say da Kenyan coupon. I want any to me. And Shira Kani Zinda.
Okrashani be paneshe. Arachiche be ye dear sunny quetikwe.
There's no more voice in the Pachoba join here.
We'll be to 5 billion.
And yeah, if you've got a voice, just come sing and sing well. But before wait me join the team is going to post the numbers out. You ever by another interview?
Exactly. This is your home. This is your house.
Exactly. Thank you so much. One mama more comfortable. Yes. And the team will bring out the numbers where the show is going to. It is going to be all over the place. You see posters everywhere. Yeah. And if you have the voice, mama meant not them. 4,000 Ghana cedis is something, isn't it? You can use it for
4,000 Ghana is huge. I mean, just that is huge. You know, dollars is so quiet.
Yeah. And please don't just stay at home. It's just 3 days.
I think say after say. More Nipanaje 4,000 and that's where you go because it's live show or being a sponsor. And me say oh you good my main carry so you good now so I'm doing this. I will help the person.
Thank you. Yes, sure. Yes. So yesterday someone called me say onya konsu wenia you bet me ama watronyum amonya kojo and come out with her own album.
A big studio I'm here recording.
Okay. All right.
It's a music video.
Okay.
It's a distribution, you know.
Okay. All right, that's fine. Then we are going to work with you then. This is what someone said. There are so many opportunities. When baby when you get there. So join Let's Sing show. But at the moment, your winners Odehyieba TV UK. You can join on Facebook. You can join on YouTube, and it's lovely. With my judges, we've got. Minister Comfortamankwa, Minister Lady Eva, and we've got Dachima all the way from Germany, and my boss Marcus. We are working as a team, and you can join us on TV. The number. Go on Odehyieba TV, and you have everything there. I don't have it off.
I'll also put it on the screen so that's
okay. Yeah, that's fine. It's okay.
After make sure
Thanks
you do that
to everyone.
All right. There's another guest. Okay. Sorry, presenter.
Yeah.
Sign out. I have a Nature TV GH. Nature TV GH.
Nature TV.
Nature TV GH. Sign out.
Okay, Ushaman Live, Nature TV, GH. The best. They are fantastic. I can now tell me. They'll make you comfortable. The best place. See ya. Bye.
Bye bye.